Alright, so it's asking for a sum. So then that, and it told you it's the geometric sequence. Alright, so sum geometric sequence. That means that I'm going to be wanting to use this formula right here. Everything that I'm going to plug in, a sub 1, do I know a sub 1? Yes. Do I know what n is? N's going to be 18 terms. Okay, do I know what r is? Like, kind of, yeah, but you have to figure it out because they didn't come right out and tell you. R is the common ratio, so what did I multiply by? A -4. Okay, again, if I needed to write that out, we could have done it by looking at the numbers right there. So I am going to kind of show for your notes. Step 1, step 2, since I need r, I need to find r, or the common ratio. And I could do it by taking the second term, which is the -8, divided by the first term. So this is the second term, this is the first one. Alright, but most of you on this one, like I said, it was kind of easy. You could just look at that. You knew it was going to be a -4. Alright, but it's not a direct number you pull from the story problem. Alright, and then step 2, now I've got everything I need, so it's a matter of just plug it into the formula. I'm going to write the formula down, then I'm going to give you time to do it. S sub n equals a sub 1 minus r raised to the n, 1 minus r. So I'll pause, I'll give you a minute, plug it in, see if you can be successful at that. And then yes, when you get a really, really, really big number, that's okay. Because look at this sequence. It starts out pretty small, 2, 8, 32, 128. But it's going to get really big really, really fast. And when I go out 18 terms, it's going to be really big. And then it's at some point in time, it's when do you stop and plug everything into your calculator. Alright.